Okay, students, we are continuing with the same topic. So, just we are discussed about the Biot-Savart's law. So, what is Biot-Savart's law? The intensity of the magnetic field at any point is given by dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. Okay, that is the simple formula which is provided by the Biot and Savart, which gives the magnitude of the magnetic field at any point. And using the Biot-Savart's law, we have to derive the formula for magnetic field at any point on the axis of a circular coil which carries electric current. Okay. For example, we are having a circular loop of radius r, and P is the any point. P is the any point on the axis of this circular loop, whose position is given by the vector r with respect to the current element, that is IDL. Okay, so what is the formula for magnetic field? Magnetic field at point P due to Biot-Savart's law. What is the formula for the magnetic field? dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi vector IDL cross vector r upon r cube. This is simple Biot-Savart's law. Then what is the magnitude of the magnetic field? Magnitude of magnetic field. So we have to just take on the modulus sign. तो यहाँ से वेक्टर हट जाएगा, तो म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई आइडियल r sin theta upon r cube. But what is angle? It is the tangent between current element and the tangent. Here this angle theta is equal to 90 degree because tangent is perpendicular to the radial direction. Here theta is equal to 90 degree and sin theta is equal to 1. So what is the value of dB now? So dB becomes mu naught upon 4 pi IDL divided by r square. Sin theta 1 और एक r cancel. This is to be taken as equation number 1. Then we are taking the two components of dB. Taking two components of vector dB. First one dB cos phi along x-axis, and the second one dB sin phi along y-axis. तो यह फिगर में क्लियरली अपने को शो कर रहा है. यहाँ पे देखो, तो x एक्सिस पे जो कंपोनेंट होगा dB cos phi and वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट dB this is dB sin phi. बट जो वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होता है बेटा फॉर अ करंट लूप, वो सिमेट्रिकल फिगर है. तो जो भी इसकी किसी भी पार्ट से अगर आप वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट लोगे, दैट इज अलोंग द वाई एक्सिस. अपर हाफ का वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट अलोंग पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस एंड लोअर हाफ का वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट अलोंग नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस. फॉर अ करंट लूप वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट्स गेट नलिफाइड. तो यहां पे साइन ये डीबी साइन फाई नलिफाई हो जाएगा. रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस ओनली. जो भी रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मिलेगी दैट इज अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस. सो व्हाट इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस? तो डीबी अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस इज इक्वल टू डीबी कॉस फाई. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ dB? म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई आइडियल अपॉन r स्क्वायर. तो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेते हैं. म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई आइडियल अपॉन r स्क्वायर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट cos phi? ज्योमेट्रिकली दिस phi एंड दिस phi आर इक्वल. इट इज प्रूव्ड. ओके, अभी याद रख लो, ये phi ये phi. तो व्हाट इज cos phi? एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज r by r. तो व्हेन यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, तो क्या लिखेंगे? म्यू नॉट आई अपॉन 4 पाई कैपिटल R अपॉन r क्यूब इनटू dl. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन. This is the small magnetic field produced at point P due to the current element ideal. So what about the total magnetic field? Total magnetic field at point P. तो total magnetic field along x-axis closed loop होगा, closed integration. Why close the integration? Because this loop is closed. That's why we are using the closed integration. Take out the constant terms बाहर, mu naught I upon 4 pi. Capital R upon R cube बाहर हो गया. Integration of dl. What this integration of dl represents? इसका मतलब होता है length of closed loop. So what is the length of this closed loop? That is circumference. So we can write mu naught I divided by 4 pi into R upon R cube multiplied by the circumference 2 pi R. Okay, तो ये 2 pi 4 pi cancel, तो we are having mu naught I upon 2 into R upon R cube. But what is simple? Using the Pythagoras theorem, it is right angle. But R square is equal to x square plus capital R square. So therefore R cube is equal to x square plus R square raised to power 3 by 2. So when you substitute this, the magnetic field along x-axis becomes mu naught I R divided by, R into R square divided by twice of x square plus R square raised to power 3 by 2. So this is the formula for किसके लिए? The magnetic field produced at point P due to this current element ideal. ठीक से लिख लेते हैं. तो magnetic field along x-axis x r cube की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो बेटा. म्यू नॉट आई r square divided by 2 times x square plus R square raised to power 3 by 2. You have to remember this formula because it is very important formula. Again चलो repeating this. Suppose P is the any point on the axis of a current loop passing through its center at a distance of x. Capital R is the radius of this current loop. I is the electric current passing through it. Position of the point P with respect to the current element ideal is given by vector R. Small magnetic field dB is making an angle of phi with respect to x-axis. So according to Biot-Savart's law, small magnetic field at point P dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal vector R upon R cube. Then magnitude के लिए क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हटेगा R sin थीटा, बट थीटा की वैल्यू बेटा 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि टेंजेंट इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रेडियल डायरेक्शन, एंड sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal upon R square. But then two components of dB cos phi, dB sin phi, but vertical component is always get nullified. Vertical component always nullified हो जाएगा, तो sin phi get nullified. Vertical component is dB sin phi get nullified. Then the resultant magnetic field is along x-axis. तो dB along x-axis dB cos phi. dB की वैल्यू रखो, cos phi की वैल्यू कितनी? cos phi बेटा एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज r अपॉन r क्यूब हो जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी r by r square into r become r cube. Then total magnetic field चाहिए at point P. Then you have to go for an integration. Constant terms बाहर, mu naught I 4 pi r cube. Close integration dl is 2 pi r. तो 2 pi से 4 pi cancel, 2 बचा बेटा, r square into r, sorry r into r, that becomes r cube. r square and r cube की वैल्यू r cube x square plus r square raised to power 3 by 2 using the Pythagoras theorem. तो स्मॉल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितनी मिल गई यहाँ पे? dB is equal to mu naught I r square 2 times x square plus r square raised to power 3 by 2. So this is the formula for magnetic field at point P due to किसके कारण? Current in the circular loop. Okay, just go through it.